So this time we have to integrate sine 5x by 2 upon sine x by 2 dx. Okay, so the idea is here equal spelling is wrong. Manage this. Okay, now the point is, you know that we are not comfortable. We are comfortable with same trigonometric ratio, but the angle is ugly. Correct? So my point is to convert this question into comfortable angles so that we can manipulate. Now, you know that we can make angle half. Okay, we can use the formula of cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta cos theta. We can half it, but it becomes difficult if we have to double the angle. Okay, because if you'll observe the formula of sine 2 theta cos 2 theta tan 2 theta, so from right hand side if you'll observe, it looks ugly because you have to take help of root in while handling cos 2 theta, and in trigonometry tan theta you have to do factorization, which will be more ugly than anything else. And in sine 2 theta you have two different trigonometric ratio on the right hand side, that is sine and tan. So it becomes little bit tough, but still we have to handle this situation. So what I will do, I have to double the angle for sure. Okay, so integration of sine 5x by 2 upon sine x by 2. If you will try to recall, you know that sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So in denominator, if I'll try to manage by cos x by 2, you have to multiply and divide by cos x by 2, and we don't know what will happen with the numerator. At least we can manage denominator, but we want 2 and 2 together. Okay, now try to recall the formula of 2 sin a cos b. So on numerator we will be applying 2 sin a cos b. So it is sin a plus b. So it is 5x by 2 plus x by 2. So it is 6x by 2. So it is 3x sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So 5x minus x is 4. So 4x by 2 is 2x. And the denominator we will have as sin x dx. Correct? Now what we should do, again if you'll observe the argument, trigonometric ratio is okay, but if you'll observe the argument, it looks ugly. So what I will do, I will break down these questions into angle x. Okay, so sine 3 theta is what? 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x plus 2 sin x cos x dx. Correct? So this is the formula. We have sin x. Now what you have to do, you have to simplify things. So if you'll observe, in the first component you will be having 3 dx. Now if you'll observe the second component, you will be having minus of 4 sine square x dx. Now if you'll observe the next component, you will be handling 2 cos x dx. Now try to observe the first quantity. So in first quantity you have to integrate 3. 3 is a constant, so it will come outside. And integration of dx is x, means integration of 1 is x. Minus, you know that you cannot handle sine square theta. Okay, you can handle sine theta, so we have to break the power. So you know that we have used cos 2 theta, cos 2x equals 2 cos square x minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sine square x. And you know that from here you can extract value, you can break down the power. Okay, so we need 2, so 2 will go inside, so 2 sine square x. 2 sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x dx plus integration of cos x is sin x. So it is 2 sin x plus c. Okay, now let's write down the final answer. You know that it is 3x minus, what is the integration of 1? X. So minus 2 into x will become minus 2x. Now what is the integration of cos 2x? Cos 2x is sin 2x. So it is minus 2 minus sin 2x is 2 times sin 2x by 2 because of this coefficient. So if you will take z as 2x, you will understand that I am correct. Okay, now you have already integrated that, plus 2 sin x plus c. So this 2 gone. We are left with the answer 3x minus 2x is x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin x plus c. So this is your required result. I hope the idea is clear and you got the approach. So if you will come across similar kind of situations, you can apply this logic. Okay.